This is the before. This is the before. As you guys can see, I have some sort of organization, but it's kind of messy. So I'll do the after in a little bit. And I am going to be using some of the containers. I have other containers. I bought them at the dollar store and at Ross. So my veggies, the juices for the kids, the tomatoes, milk area, soda. My husband is so obsessed with these. The kids' snacks and for their lunches. So I got some Jellos, these little drink things, Go-Gurts, Lunchables, Danimals. And then up here I have the tortillas, some jalapenos back there, cheese, eggs, and then on my door I have the cheese, the butter, and then, since sometimes the ham spills, I got this at the dollar spot at Target, and it's pink, but I don't care. So I can put the ham, the mozzarella, the cheese, and some more drinks, obviously beer. So yeah, this is some of the organization of my refrigerator. This is not that organized, but as you guys can see, I have some ice creams here. The ice, see? Dropping things, the ice things. These are for the lunches, little Costco pizzas. Not Ziplocs, they're frozen tomatoes because my neighbor has a farm and she gives me tomatoes. These ice thingies, these are so delicious. I get them at the dollar store. My kids love it. More pizzas, more ice cream, the chicken nuggets, ice creams, more frozen stuff back there. And then here I got some baby snacks, some teethers, some toddler mum-mums, I got these at Costco, Kinder eggs, some Nutella, stick things for the lunches, some Mott's, and I got this at the dollar spot also for $3. And I like it because it has a little handle and it's cute. And then here I have some Ritz cheese crackers, some, what is this, Z-fruit, some oatmeal cookies, Rice Krispies, Chewies, tuna on the go, mac and cheese. So yeah, these are for the lunches. And then in the bottom drawer, I have Fishies, Cheetos, Funyuns, Pringles, and in case they want to take some cereal for the school, these little miniature ones. So yeah, that's my lunch organization. I have to show you guys, I have another one for the baby cookies. These are baby cookies. So yeah, they're just like that.